Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I got a dessert recipe for you. I used in the winter months. Gajar Ka Halwa, an absolute awesome dessert it is. It's made using carrots. Just stay with me guys and I'll get straight into it. Okay, for this recipe guys, I'm going to use 2 kg of carrots, peeled, grated, and I'm going to put them in the pan. Absolute awesome recipe, like I said guys. I'm going to start off with that, and this is going to release its own water. So I've got this on a high heat, and they're going to release water, and you leave them to cook. And they'll start going down as well. I know the pan looks a bit full, but once they've cooked, they'll go down. You don't want them sticking to the bottom. I have got it on a high heat. Okay guys, once the water's evaporated, I'm going to add some milk. You add that much milk so all the carrots are under the milk. That's about 1 litre of milk there, but you know, whatever you need. And then give it a mix. Okay guys, you'll give it a good mix. Once you've mixed it and the carrots are all under the milk, you'll let this cook on medium to low heat for about 45 minutes. Keep an eye on it guys, because the milk will overboil, but it takes about 40-45 minutes for the milk to evaporate. Okay guys, this has been cooking for about 45 minutes, and I've been stirring it in between, and the milk's virtually evaporated. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of green cardamom crushed up. I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. You can add more sugar, but I've got homemade khoya, which I'm going to add later. And that's got quite a bit of sugar in it, so I'm just going to add 1 cup in here. Give it a mix now. Okay guys, this has been cooking for another 10 minutes since I put them green cardamoms in, and the milk's dried up now. So I'm going to add 1 cup of ghee. That's 1 cup of ghee, desi ghee that is. Okay, give it a good mix so the ghee melts in there and mixes in. And then when the ghee comes to the top, once it's melted in there and the ghee comes to the top again, you know it's ready. Smells absolutely awesome, this does. It's a very popular, very popular dessert, Gajar Ka Halwa. Okay guys, it's been about 15-20 minutes since I put that ghee in, and I've been cooking it and stirring it all the while, because otherwise it'll burn. And the ghee's come to the top now, so I'm going to put some khoya in it now. Okay, I'm going to add some khoya to it. You can get shop bought khoya. I made this at home, and I'll share the recipe someday. And then give that a mix. Absolutely beautiful. Smells gorgeous. And I'm going to add some dried fruits in it, a bit of pistachio, and a bit of almonds. I've took the skin off them, and I'm going to put some later on as well. Give that a mix now. Absolutely amazing, look at that. Okay guys, that's finally done now. It's a bit of hard work, but once it's done, I'll tell you, it's well worth it. The main hard job is just stirring it all the while, otherwise it burns. But absolutely amazing, it'll be well worth it. Well worth the effort and time. Okay guys, I'll check it out and I'll show you. Wow, amazing. Okay guys, I'm just going to finish it up with a bit of dried fruits on top, just garnish it. Bit of pistachio, broken up into small pieces. Bit of almonds cut up into small pieces as well, once I've de-skinned them. And I'm going to put a bit of that khoya in the middle. Like I said, you can buy this from the shop, but I've made this at home and I'm going to share the recipe soon as well. Just spread it about, just in the center. I'm just going to put some cashew nuts around the edge. But you can use whatever dried fruits you like. If you don't like any of these dried fruits, you don't have to use these. You can use whatever you like. And that's it. Okay guys, mashallah, the Gajar Ka Halwa is ready. I finished it off by just decorating it, garnishing it with the dried fruits. Like I said, you can use any fruits you like, dried fruits. It's an awesome dessert guys. Please do have a go, especially for these winter months like I said. And it is a bit of hard work, but it's well worth the time and effort. It's just amazing, amazing dessert. Nice and sweet, very good, very nice. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. And thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.